Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Artist King here, back with another video. Today I decided to try and do an abstract piece. And one of the things I discovered with this is that, I don't know, maybe abstract art is not really my thing. But I'm trying to get better at all different things, so I am going to attempt to do it. So I decided to use some colors, the blue and the lilac, and some green. And I wanted to use different textures. So I started off with a different type of brush. I put some green, then I put the blue and the thing. So then I decided to go, you know me, I love me some bright colors, y'all. Y'all know that. So I decided to put some yellow and some other bright colors in there, like some neon. I decided to use a few neon colors in there. But I don't know, I kept doing it and I knew what I wanted to see in my head, and then I used some pieces of paper. Like you see some colored paper. I used several different ones on this. And I don't know, I tried to fit the other colors in to make it look like a real abstract piece. But I don't know, I feel like I wasn't really feeling this. But I kept doing it and kept on. Anyway, in the meantime, do not forget to like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked any part of it. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you like to maybe leave a comment at some point in time. And then most of all, subscribe. So I don't know, I kept doing it, hoping that it would begin to look the way I wanted it to look. See there, I had some black and white pieces of paper there. I tried to cut like a circle and just put them. That was part of making it abstract. But by this time, y'all, it just wasn't working for me. So I sat down and I tried to figure out what I should do. Because y'all know I do not like to waste paint, and I do not like to waste canvases, because this is actually 11 by 14 canvas and I wasn't ready to throw it away. So at this point in time, I decided to do something different, to make a change and go in a different direction. Didn't know what I had in mind, but I came up with something. So there it is. I came up with this, where I used I think a fabric brush. I think it's kind of a weird brush, and I just dipped it in multiple colors of paint and made these kind of circles. I did a lot of black, a lot of white, just different colors, and I put them all just to fill up all the spaces that had that other abstract art that I didn't really care for. So I did that, and then I had these little bottles with the little things, like, I don't even know what you call them, but you guys see what it is. So I've decided to make some circles in white around the little blotches I made. So after that, I thought about painting a face on there, but with all the paint I already had on there, I didn't think that was going to be a good idea. I just wasn't feeling that. So I said maybe I should use a stencil. But then I had to sit with a blow dryer, which I'm not going to let y'all watch all of that. I had to sit with a blow dryer and get most of the paint dry before I do anything. So I thought, okay, I could use a stencil and I could use the ink. Well, that didn't turn out like I wanted it to. But you'll see in a minute. Because what happened, the paint wasn't really all the way dry. And then when I tried to use a stencil with black ink, it kind of, it just didn't come out right. So I used the little toilet roll thing, and I dipped it in different colors of paint. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, so I started making circles on there to do something more abstract. And then I realized the color paint I was using was not showing up very well. So I used some pink and some beige, and then I said, you know what, I'm gonna try one last thing here. I found this stencil. Yeah, I found this stencil, and I thought if I use the black ink, it would show up, but not remembering or not taking into account that I have black splotches of paint already on the canvas. So I don't know, you guys, I must have been having an off day today, but I still wanted to, I refuse to destroy this canvas. I refuse to squash this video, because this is like the third or fourth video I've done with this one canvas, and I just can't seem to get it right. So after using the ink pad without any success, I decided to use some modeling paste in white. I thought maybe that would show up really well on the canvas. I haven't used that modeling paste in a long time. I'm surprised the jar was still good, but it was pretty good to the point where I could use it. So I decided to do the modeling paste instead and see how that would turn out. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Okay, so here it is. When I took the modeling paste off, you can see it, but you have to look carefully to really see what it is. But I still thought it made an interesting piece of abstract art. I still think it did okay, because you've got all the colors and then you've got that. So I don't know, but anyway, guys, don't forget I post Tuesdays and Saturdays. Like, subscribe, comment, enjoy the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Okay, all right, bye now.